Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I will not be talking about any chart. Today, I'm here to reveal the surprises. I have got two surprises for you, and let's talk about the first surprise. So, as you all know it very well, that I have been trading for almost 9 years. So, 9 years is a long time, and I believe in karma, and therefore, I have decided to share my experience, share my knowledge with you guys. I have decided to start a mission where I'll be conducting the world's most affordable, practical, and the best 2 days workshop every week in both Hindi and English language. Because every day I get a lot of requests from my Indian friends, my friends from Pakistan, that भैया हिंदी में कुछ बोलिए, हिंदी में सिखाइए. So yes, I have decided to teach in Hindi as well. So दोनों लैंग्वेज में ही रहेंगे, हिंदी and English. Okay. So as you all know that trading workshops are very costly. Even I could not afford when I started trading. So as a result, I decided that no, it's time to do something to bring a revolution. Because see, previously when things were very different, trading was something different. But after the COVID-19, when millions of people lost their employment, lost their job, they have only got trading right now. They do not have proper knowledge. So it's my duty to share my knowledge so that you all can really earn money from trading and become a profitable trader. The workshops are going to start from next week. Okay, now let's look at the web page. Okay, so this is my website. You will find a link in the description. See, in the workshop section, you'll see world's most affordable forex trading workshop. Okay, and here I have answered few questions. What is the reason for conducting the world's cheapest trading classes? Yeah, why not for free? Why do I charge? Okay, because yes, I used to teach for free also. Bad experience. And how will you benefit from the masterclass? So if you can afford, my dear friends, then please join the class. It will change your life. It will change your trading style. Because see, I'm someone I'm someone who is a survivor in the market. Because see, I could not afford any classes. Okay, whatever I have learned during all these years is from the market only. I have lost thousands and thousands of times. As a result, I know the best ways to survive in the market, and I'll be teaching those only. Okay, so you can see day one is the base where I'll be talking about the basics that you mostly need. I will make things very simple. Okay, and I'll explain it in the best possible way that it will be easier for you to understand. एकदम simple सरल भाषा में. Okay, day two is the most important. Okay, where I'll be revealing the secrets that I have learned in all these years. Okay, so day two is very important. Okay, and you can see the price is triple line only. It's $19 only. So if you can afford, then please join it. I will not disappoint you. It will change your life, I believe. Okay. And here are the timings. I have mentioned it clearly, and you can see that yes, limited is available. Okay. And if you cannot afford right now, and if you still want to learn, then you can see that I have also provided a link for a mini course that is available on the YouTube channel. Okay, if you really are not in a position, but if you have the will to learn, passion to learn, you can also learn from the free mini course also. Okay, I have provided a link here. Okay, so everything is on the website. Please visit the link if you are interested. Then please do join. Hopefully you will like it.